Hi everyone, welcome to Storyteller. Today we are going to hear a short story about honesty. There was a successful businessman who knew he was growing old and knew it was time to choose a successor to take over his business. So instead of choosing one of his directors or his children, he decided to do something different. So, he called all the young executives in his company together. After the gathering of his young associates, he said, "It is time for me to step down and choose the next CEO. I have decided to choose one of you." He said. The young executives were literally shocked. As the boss continued, he said again, "I'm going to give each one of you a seed." So he said the seed was a very special seed, and he asked the young executives to plant the seed, water it, and come back after 1 year from the day when he gave. So after seeing these seeds, he said, "I will judge the plants that you bring, and after that, I will choose the next CEO." So this is what he conveyed. So among the youngsters, there was a person called Jim. He was one of the executives. He was very excited. He went to home and he told his wife the whole story, whatever has happened in office and whatever the CEO said. So together they went and got the pot, the compost and the soil to plant that seed. Then what every day as a routine, he started watering the seeds and he watched closely. He was monitoring the progress of the seeds. After 3 weeks, the other executives in the office were talking about this. They were bragging how well the seeds are growing in their home. But Jim, after hearing all this, Jim came back to home. He saw his seed. There was no symptom of any growth of his seeds. After 5 weeks, he got completely discouraged. Nearly after 1 month, it was like his seed does not show any small sign of growth. Then, like this, days got past. At the end of 6 months, still his pot remained empty. There was no sign of growth. He imagined, he just thought whether he had overwatered it, he had poured too much of water, or whether he have got some wrong fertilizers for it. Because he was able to see that his colleagues were talking that my plant has grown till this height, that height. So he was thinking whether my fertilizers has gone wrong or or I have watered too much for these plants. So he was just thinking. Absolutely, there was no growth for his seed even after 1 year, and 1 year got over. And as instructed by the CEO, they all plan to bring the colleagues plan to bring all their plant pots to office. So they were also instructed to bring the plants into the office so that the CEO could inspect it. Now Jim told his wife that he was very embarrassed to go to office taking an empty pot. But she said, "No problem. Our seed didn't grow anyways. We tried our best. Just take it to the office," she said. So what he did is, he brought the pot to the boardroom where every people got gathered. And he heard the stinkers of all the other executives in the room. The plants bought by his colleagues were of variety of shapes and sizes. The plants were tall, one was short, but it had fruits. So it was like varieties of things, varieties of plants. The plants grew like anything. So finally, the CEO has arrived. He just surveyed the room. He took a look all over the room and he greeted his young executives. Now Jim tried to hide himself back because his pot didn't grow. The CEO started praising his executives on the growth. Started praising the executives on seeing the growth and the beauty of these plants. And then he said, "Today, I'm pleased to announce that one of you will be my new CEO," he said. So CEO asked Jim, now Jim was hiding himself back. CEO asked Jim to come up. Jim he got frightened. He was full of fear. So he thought he would lose his job because his plant did not grow. So he started walking to the front of the room slowly. So other executives also started feeling bad. They felt pity for Jim because they also thought the same way as Jim imagined, that Jim would lose his job because his plant didn't grow. Then the boss asked Jim what happened to his seed, and Jim told the complete story of how he nurtured the plant, how he cared for the particular seed, and finally he said, "It never grew. I tried all my best." Then the CEO asked everyone to be seated in the room except Jim. Then he said, "I would like to introduce you all to your new Chief Executive Officer. I would like to introduce you all to your new Chief Executive Officer." So there were a lot of gasps and questions started in the room. How can he be the new boss when his plant didn't grow? So people started commenting. Now, the CEO explained, "1 year ago, I gave everyone in this room a seed. But what you all guys did not know was that seed has been boiled and it was a dead seed, which is it will never grow. It was absolutely impossible for any one of them to grow." Here, Jim was the only one in the room with the courage and the honesty to bring a pot with a seed that did not grow. He just brought the empty pot. He did not substitute with any other seed. Like anybody else, he did not substitute with any other plant as everybody did. So therefore, he has shown honesty, courage and integrity, and I know he will run this company with his consciousness. So the story got ended. Hence, the moral of the story is honesty. Honesty is the principle which we follow in our life for ourselves, irrespective of whatever situation comes around us. Telling truth is always better than lying, because if we tell the truth, we don't want to remember what we said actually. Truth may hurt sometimes, a little while, but lie hurts forever. Even if people would have been honest, we would not have come across such an corruption environment now. So honesty, even when many of the people hearing story now would also think that what is the use of being honest nowadays. But honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about being real to yourself, and it's about who you are and what you want to be. So this is the moral of the story. Thanks for hearing and watching Storyteller. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.